Would you like to comment on what COMELEC Commissioner George Garcia said na hindi daw pwedeng isabay sa 2025 midterm election yung plebiscite? Kasi daw po, kinakailangan parang hiwalay yung
Yeah, I'm not sure. Hindi ko nga sure ano yung legal basis ni Chairman Garcia for saying that. Kasi ang leading case dyan sa plebiscite is Oxenia versus COMELEC. That's a 1981 case decided by the Supreme Court. At doon, ang decision, pwedeng isabay yung plebisito sa elections. Ang issue doon is a constitutional amendment kung saan tinataas yung edad ng retirement ng mga huwes from 65 to 70. Yun ang issue sa kaso na yon. At ang naging desisyon ng Supreme Court is pwedeng isabay dahil napag-usapan na yan then it was the Batasan Pambansa. Yun ang legislature natin. Napag-usapan na yung issue sa Batasan Pambansa. So definitely, pwede nang pagbotohan ng taong bayan. Tapos doon naman sa pagbinasa mo yung records ng Constitutional Commission, ang sponsor niyan, nung provision na yon sa Article 17 yata, si Commissioner Jose Suarez. At ang sabi niya, he even cited the case of Oxenia. Pwede. Ang limit lang dyan, the plebiscite, ang nakalagay lang sa ating saligang batas, yung plebisito, kailangan 60 to 90 days from the time of approval of the proposed amendment. So the plebiscite must be held 60 to 90 days from the time the amendment is approved. So yun, kaya nga sinasabi ko, mas maganda later, pero definitely by October. Yung October, practical deadline yun. Kasi kung hindi natin pinasabagong October, di hindi masasama ng COMELEC sa pag-imprenta ng balota.
Yung practical deadline na October, sir, this is not an assurance na papasa yung RBH 6 sa Senate? Or is this already an assurance
No,
na?
it's not an assurance, Mav, because how can I speak for 23 senators, di ba? I can only speak for Senator Angara, maybe Senate President Zubiri, and Senate President Pro Tem Legarda, kasi we filed the resolution. So panininigan namin yung resolution namin, di ba? But we cannot assure na hindi siya maamyendahan ng ating mga kasamahan because that's part of the process of legislation. May sarili silang mandato, may sarili silang pananaw. We have to respect that, di ba?